How to use PMT formula in spreadsheets? Let's find out. Imagine buying a house. The buyer was approved for a mortgage by 3 banks. Loan amount is fixed, but the interest rate and loan term are different in each bank. To calculate how much to pay every month, click an empty cell. Type equals PMT, open parenthesis. The formula asks for rate, which is in cell C2, so we click it. Remember that we calculate monthly payment, and the interest rate is annual. We divide the rate by 12. Next, we add a comma. Click loan term and multiply it by 12. Another comma, and click the loan amount. With Bank A, monthly payment will be $2,151. Apply the formula to the rest of the column and compare the conditions. Bank C has lower interest rate, but loan must be paid sooner and monthly payments are higher. Bank B allows to pay loan for 20 years at a higher rate, but monthly payments are less burdening. Follow OnlyOffice on YouTube to explore more spreadsheet formulas.